trick a lot of people ask me about all the time. In fact, last night we were working on these and people were asking about them all the time. All right. Okay, so what's the deal here? You're going to do some percent times some number like this, and it's going to be something over 9 almost always, okay? So what our brain wants to do is our brain wants to move this decimal twice, right? And make that 0.18. But here's the deal. It doesn't matter. If I have, let's say I have 0.12 times 81, right? It doesn't matter if I do 0.12 times 81 or if I do 12 times 0.81. Is that going to give me a different answer? Are those two answers going to be different? Is 0.12 times 81 and 12 times 0.81, are they going to be a different answer?
Only the decimal place.
No.
No. In fact, the decimal is going to be in the exact same spot. It doesn't change anything. Okay? Because you would still just move the decimal twice, right? For the decimal. So it doesn't matter if the decimals with which would, in fact, it's the same as this, 1.2. Dennis, don't do that. It's the same as this. You could give 1 decimal to that and 1 decimal to that. So it doesn't change. That's all right. No problem. Thank you, Dennis. So it doesn't matter where you put the decimal, okay? It's the same thing. Okay, so you're like, okay, it's fine, Mr. Gillespie, you can put it wherever you want. I wish I could have learned that. That would have been useful at some point. But check this out. Instead of moving this decimal, we're going to move this decimal. Now this becomes 3.11, and 1/9 is 111. So this is just 3.1 bar. Yeah? And what is 3.1 bar, guys? Help me out. We should know this by now. We did this morning. 3 and what?
28 over 9.
3 and 1/9, right? So this is 3 and 1/9 times 18. That's how we're going to do this. So 3 and 1/9 is 20. Somebody just said it, 28 over 9. So it's 28 over 9 times 18. And what you're going to notice is that these are going to cancel. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So it's 2 times 28, so 56. All right, I don't expect you to be good at that yet, so let me explain it again, okay? Okay, so picture in your mind, this is 733.3 repeating, right? That's what 1/3 is. So instead of moving this decimal to turn it into a decimal, I'm going to move this decimal. So now that's going to be 24 times 7 and 1/3. Okay, so let me stop there real quick. Does that make sense to everybody what I'm doing? Because that's the trick. Understanding that you can move the other decimal and get a fraction that's easy to do with. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. Isaac, can you turn your mic off for me, please? All right, so we make this improper. 7 times 3 plus 1 is 22. So that's 22 over 3 times 24. You'll notice that this can be simplified. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we're getting 8 times 22. However you want to solve 8 times 22, I probably would have done 16 times 11. So that'd be 176, right? All right.